Tonight will be a night that we will all fall in love. Tonight we will showcase the Filipino talent, the music and the dances that we miss, the music and the dances that will bring memories. Tonight we will all fall in love with Miss Cooley Desma and Isabella. Tonight brings a bright future for the homeless orphans in Sorsogon in the Philippines. Thank you very much for coming tonight. Thank you very much for sharing and being part of the dream. Please rise for the singing of the national anthem of the Republic of the Philippines and the national anthem of New Zealand. Ladies and gentlemen, the Filipino Chorale of Hamilton.